This video shows how to install a GunWraps shotgun kit step by step. Quick safety first. Always treat every firearm as loaded until you've personally confirmed it's clear. Have your shotgun unloaded, tools, and gloves ready. You'll need a degreaser, isopropyl alcohol, a lint-free cloth, a soft brush, hobby knife, heat gun, hand squeegee, and optional adhesive promoter and application gloves. Step 1. Cleaning and surface prep. Before wrapping your shotgun, it is vital to thoroughly inspect, prep, and clean the surface of your gun. Make sure your gun is empty before beginning the application process. Oil and grease must be completely removed or the material will not properly adhere. Use a gun safety greaser to remove oil and grease from all surfaces. Use a small soft brush to scrub into crevices and recessed areas. Wipe everything down with isopropyl alcohol to remove any remaining residue. Wash your hands after cleaning to prevent transferring natural oils back onto the shotgun before installation. Step 2. Layout and kit preparation. Lay out all universal pieces included in your kit before starting. Take your time removing pieces from the backing sheet, especially thinner sections, as they can tear easily. Your kit includes rear barrel, front barrel, barrel patch, foregrip, receiver, right buttstock, left buttstock, patch strips, and cut strips. Test fit each piece and keep pattern direction consistent across the entire shotgun for proper alignment. Step 3. Receiver and buttstock installation. Center the receiver sheet using the V-notches aligned to the top of the shotgun. Anchor the top first with firm pressure, then work outward evenly around the receiver. Light trimming may be required for a clean, custom fit. Align the buttstock wrap so the pattern flows naturally from the receiver. Some patterns may need to be carefully aligned to match across sections, especially directional or patriotic patterns. Install one side first, then the other. Slight overlap may be necessary for visual continuity along the receiver, top, and bottom edges. Apply firm pressure as you wrap around contours, trim excess material, and heat all edges to secure adhesion. Optional. Primer can improve long-term durability in areas prone to lifting, such as corners, edges, or tight recesses. Use 3M Primer 94 Adhesive Promoter to reinforce adhesion in these areas. Activate by crushing the marked dots to saturate the sponge tip. It dries clear with no residue. Apply lightly, only where needed, and avoid overstretching the vinyl, as this can weaken the adhesive. Trim carefully along the cut strip using light pressure to avoid scratching the surface. Then remove the excess vinyl and tape. Step 4. Foregrip installation. If needed, remove the barrel according to your manufacturer's manual before installing the foregrip wrap. This can make trimming around the pump area easier. Center the foregrip wrap using the V-notches aligned to the bottom of the foregrip or pump. Anchor the bottom first with firm pressure, then wrap evenly around the foregrip. Because the kits are universal, additional trimming may be required for a precise fit. Trim excess vinyl and apply controlled heat along edges to lock the material in place. Step 5. Barrel installation. With the barrel removed, begin the barrel wrap installation. Place a cut strip along the top length of the barrel, slightly above the center line. Align the rear barrel wrap to the center of the barrel guide ring, then align the front barrel wrap to the guide ring, overlapping as needed to maintain pattern flow. Some barrels may have a small, uncovered area near the guide ring. Use the included barrel patch to cover this area if needed. Trim excess material. Wrap one side first to establish proper overlap, then continue around the barrel. Trim carefully along the cut strip using light pressure to avoid scratching the surface. Place another cut strip along the trimmed seam. Align it carefully, trim lightly, then remove the excess vinyl and tape. Included extra patch strips can be used for covering gaps, final touch-ups, or other adjustments if needed. Step 6. Final heat and reassembly. Go over the entire shotgun using controlled heat to ensure all seams, edges, and recessed areas are fully adhered. Inspect for proper fitment and trim any remaining excess if needed. That's it. Double-check fitment and edges, store tools safely, and enjoy your protected firearm. GunWraps products are proudly made in the USA, waterproof, non-reflective, and built to last. Protect, personalize, and style your firearms with confidence.